Hey Escambia County teachers, let's take a look at the new design for your Focus portal. The first thing you're going to notice are your icons in your sidebar menu. They've been updated and they have color. And your sidebar menu, well, it's also collapsible. So whether you prefer it open or closed, that choice, well, it's up to you. The universal search is now located at the top of that menu. Clicking on the search is going to allow you to filter and find anything you're looking for in your menu. If you're needing focus help, it's as simple as clicking your question mark here. As always, it's going to bring up that vendor documentation based on the page that you're visiting. Let's take a look at your alert section. You're going to notice that the icon now corresponds with the action that you need to take based on your sidebar menu. And when you're ready to log out, that feature is now conveniently located right here next to your name. And that is your new and improved Focus portal. Thanks for tuning in to this Byte of Tech. Check out our other videos to help you master Focus.